Welcome to another episode of Crypto News. Today I'm bringing you some news with Nasdaq and SEC. Nasdaq filed a proposal with the SEC seeking approval to list BlackRock's spot Ethereum exchange-traded fund based on the regulator's recent approval of ETH-based futures ETFs in October. The exchange proposed that the regulator allow it to create the iShares Ethereum Trust under its Nasdaq Rule 5711, which governs the listing and trading of commodity-based trust shares on exchange. Advocating for increased uniformity in the regulation of digital and traditional assets, Nasdaq posits that both Bitcoin and Ethereum should be governed as commodities and that the rules for the spot ETFs for these digital assets should align with those of gold ETFs. The arguments proposed in the filing are similar to those used in the spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Nasdaq believes the SEC has no grounds to block the spot Bitcoin or Ethereum-based ETFs because it allows the CME to host future-based ETFs for both digital assets. Nasdaq urged the SEC to approve the applications for spot ETFs as it will allow US investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum safely. Nasdaq further argued that it meets every requirement set by the regulator to ensure that the investors are protected and has a surveillance agreement to monitor market fraud and manipulation. Taking on potential concerns about market surveillance, Nasdaq emphasized that the surveillance mechanism for a spot Bitcoin or Ethereum market are just as robust as those for the future market. It added that the CME futures market meets the SEC's criteria of a market of significant size that is appropriately monitored. So interesting news again here. These ETF news are hot, guys. Every day there is something new, and now Nasdaq is kind of trying to push the SEC as well. So I'm really curious what's going to happen. Can't wait till January when the SEC has to make some ruling. So in the meanwhile, we can just wait and see how this unfolds. If you guys like the content, hit me a like, follow me for some more, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.